Hello, everyone. I think most of you understand how to do the processes, okay? I mean, I'd say just remember, this is going to be your best friend right here for the lab, okay? Remember, you have the buffer, the union, the merge, intersect, etc., okay? So really, for the part about buffer, it's just right here. So make sure you do it by 100 feet. And for the other ones, make sure you pick the correct one. I'll give you a hint. Union is not the one to use. And, of course, it also shows it there in the lab. I'd say most of you guys are understanding everything what to do so far in the class. The only thing that's really, I'd say, getting some of you are the querying. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it for this lab. So again, everybody will get this correct. So if you notice in one part of the lab, I'm asking you to do all the points that are within the historical sites. So I'll show you how to do it right here. So you go to selection. Remember, you always want to go to selection here. And by location. Remember, by location means that you're doing it as what's geographically related to, okay? By attribute is by the attribute table. I'd say most of you guys get this one, but we're not going to do it for this one. We're going to do location, okay? So you have that. Now, make sure to select features from. So remember, you want to do historical points, okay? Target layer. Remember, target layer is the one you actually want to use. Okay, like the one you actually want to find, excuse me. So the one you're finding, your source layer is what you're using to situate that, okay? So you're using this to situate, okay? So let's keep their historical sites. Make sure you select the correct one. So remember, you have a list of options here. Of course, we used one for lab last week. And for this one, we want to do a complete within the source layer. What we mean by that is that they have to be almost 100% within, okay? If we say within the source layer, it means that they're near it. So we're going to do completely within the source layer feature, okay? Hit apply, and then you can see we have those right there, okay? So again, we'll do some other options, but again, the one you're using is for complete within the source layer. Let's say we do this one. You see it's going to do a different selection there, and then if we do identical, okay, obviously it's not going to do it there. It does have to be able to do it, okay? And again, okay, this one right here across the outline again. So again, there are many options, okay? So you hit apply. Okay, so we'll say, hold on. So again, just worry about this one, are completely within the source layer feature, okay? Hit OK. So we create it. Now, you want to go here to historical points. A lot of you guys also forget how to create a new layer, and it's very straightforward. So after you create historical points is the one we queried. So we go here. You always want to go to selection, okay? So this right here is selection. And then you want to select create layer from select feature. So very straightforward, okay? I'm going to show you guys again. Go here, go to selection, create layer from selected features. Okay, now you're probably wondering, is that different? Well, remember, after you're done creating it, you always have to go here to this box and do clear selected features, okay? So make sure you do that. Go here, and you'll see the difference. I'm going to make it bigger so you guys can see here. I know it's kind of hard to see it. Hit OK, and boom, there are your ones that are selected, okay? So that's how you do the location query and how you also create a layer from selected features. So the last part is asking you to create the ones that are within the historical sites and, of course, do a buffer, okay? And again, creating it in here is really not, that difficult. Just make sure when you save it, though, you save to a location that you know. And right here, make sure you change it to feet, because it's always going to start off in decimal degrees. That's the default. So make sure you do have it in feet, and make sure you do type in 100, okay? So make sure you do that. Again, it's not going to work right now because, again, I don't have it set, okay? So this is what I have. Remember, please text me and ask questions if you are confused about anything, okay? And this is me signing out.